Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to discuss one code beta practice question. The question is new ATM design. So automated teller machine, that means ATM, is an electronic device that enables people to withdraw cash from their bank account. Every ATM has a limit for number of currency notes, say N. It can given at a time. A bank wants to design an ATM for school students. The unique feature of this ATM would be that it would always give maximum number of currency notes possible to make the students happy. So this is the task to us. So available denominations of currency notes in the ATM are 100, 200, 500 and 1000. So now we can discuss this with one example for better understanding. So this is the input they are giving. 10 means, so this is the N. So what is the N here? For the number of currency notes. They can withdraw 10 number of currency notes. Next, this is the amount they are going to withdraw. 10 is the availability of 100 notes. That means 10 100 notes are available in ATM machine. So this is about 200 notes. This is about 500. So this is about 1000. Now we are going to withdraw 1300 amount from ATM. So what is the condition here? Give maximum number of currency notes possible to make the students happy. So how means, if you observe that 7 into 100 means 700 plus, so 3 into remaining 2 means 600. So that means 700 and 600 equals to 1300. So what are the maximum number of notes? 700 notes, 3 200 notes, 7 plus 3 10. So 10 is the output. If you think that all the 10 are 100 notes, 10 into 100, remaining 200 notes, for example 1 into 200, 11 we got. But the maximum notes you are going to withdraw is 10 they are giving. So that is less than or equals to N. So that means if here the N equals to 20, then we got the answer. So what is the required amount? 1300. So 20 is the limit. So here 9 into 100 plus 2 into 200. In this case we get the 11. But here the N equals to 10. So we get the required output less than or equals to that N value. Another example. So this is the 5. That means the maximum notes you are going to withdraw is 5. The amount is 1700. So there is only 100 note, 200 notes, 500 notes and 2000 notes. So now we are going to withdraw maximum notes that equals to amount 1700. So 1 200, 1 500, 1000. So how many notes? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that equals to 3. So 3 is the output. Now we can see how we can solve this new ATM design problem. So N, this is the input 10. That means N equals to 10. So AFD amount equals to 1300. Next 100, 200, 500 and 1000. So these are the available notes in the ATM. So this is 10, 10, 10, 10. Now, so what is the question? We are going to find the maximum notes we are going to withdraw from the ATM. So we can first we are writing 4 for loops. The first for loop with thousands. That means the least is thousands. One of the case, so this is the range for I in range of 1000 plus 1. That means 0 to 10. So 1000 is 10, 10 plus 1 means 11, range of 11 means 0 to 10. Similarly 500, 200 and hundreds. Now we are going to find the number of notes that is less than or equals to N, that means 10. So already we discussed that. And so we can find that equals to amount or not. For example, in this case, if you are taking 1000 note plus 500 note plus 200 note plus 100 note. So that means in this case also that is equals to 1300. So what is the number of nodes? Only 3 nodes. So at that time the result equals to become 3. Okay. In some other case 0 into 1000, 2 into 500. So 1 into 200 plus 1 into 100. In this case the number of, what is the I plus j? 2, 3, 4. In this case the result equals to 4. Now here we are going to find the maximum number of nodes we are going to withdraw. So here I am writing one condition. Every time if it is equals to amount and it is less than or equals to n, if these both conditions are true, then the result equals to I plus j plus k plus l. That means respectively these are number of nodes 1000, 500, 200 and 100. When it is maximum value, if it is the max value less than result, in first case result equals to 3, max equals to 3. In another case result equals to 4. Now you are checking that 3 less than 4, 2. So max equals to 4. In this case, so here the 7 into 100 plus 3 into 200, 0 into 500, 0 into 1000. In this case all these two conditions are true. So RS equals to 10, max equals to 10. So now we are going to print the max value. If these two conditions are not satisfied, then the max one equals to 0. Then we are going to print the value 0. If it is satisfy these two conditions, then you can print max value. So what is the max value in this case? The max value is 10.
So now we are going to see the execution of the program. So 10 is the output. We can see another test case. Three.